For my therapeutic herbal assignment 401, I'm doing the immune system. So the immune system's main importance is to keep your body from getting sick. It fights off diseases and pathogens as well as bacteria. Our immune system is to help resist any dangers around in our environment. Good immunity means balance in the body and when the body is at hemostasis. So the different parts of the immune system, we have the mucous membrane, tonsils, lymphatic vessels, the thymus, skin, bone marrow, lymph nodes, spleen, and lymphatic vessels. And I have a reishi mushroom here, which is really good tonic for the immune system. So diseases, I'm going to be focusing mostly on the diseases of the immune system, as well covering a little bit about the lymphatics and tonsils. So we have our first main disease is AIDS. It arises from poor immune system. It is called it stands for acquired immune deficiency syndrome. It affects body's way of defending from invading pathogens. HIV is linked to AIDS. A healthy immune system will or may resist HIV progressing to AIDS. AIDS can be caused by some factors that cause bad immune problems, so the same factors that cause bad immune issues like steroids, malnutrition, and drug use. Most people dying from AIDS were HIV positive if they had pneumonia, cancer, or other immune-related diseases. The main symptoms of AIDS include fever, weight loss, fatigue, swollen lymph nodes, and large liver. The first symptom is usually bacterial pneumonia. Things that can help, and specifically herbs, include curcuma or turmeric. This helps by deactivating the HIV gene responsible for letting the virus multiply. Other herbs include anything that treats the immune system, so mushroom extract. It may help immune system as well as liver function in AIDS patients. Another herb is Hypericum perforatum, so St. John's wort. It stops the retroviral infection, HIV specifically. Other things someone can include in their diet would be vitamin C, as well as anything anti-inflammatory. Okay, so next we have lupus. This is an autoimmune disease. It is an inflammatory disease affecting the organs. The blood vessels and joints become inflamed, and this can lead to seizures, psychosis, if the nervous system is involved. Specifically, herbs that will help is trifolium or clover. It is an alterative and will cleanse the disease out of the blood, since it's mostly in the blood. And anything that's anti-inflammatory. Again, anti-inflammatory foods will help. So next, we're covering the lymphatics. So that includes the lymph nodes and tonsils. So everything part of the lymphatic system is lymph nodes, spleen, lymph ducts, and tonsils. And we're gonna start with lymphedema. So the lymphatic system is made up of valves that allow waste fluids to be carried away from the tissues back to the bloodstream. If there is swelling in the lymph nodes, the fluids accumulate in the tissue, and this causes lymphedema. So it results in poor health, infections, and wound healing is very difficult. So specifically the legs get swollen because the lymph ducts are blocked, and fluids accumulate. Specific herbs that will help is ginger. Next we have tonsillitis. So the tonsils lie at the back and the sides of the throat. They're easily seen when enlarged. Infection is common, can be viral or bacterial, and the symptoms can include fever, inflammation, and difficulty in swallowing. and herbs that will help. We have thuya and echinacea, as well as vitamin C supplement. And here we have the tonsils, enlarged versus normal.